So I have a question for you. Is this you? Is this you? Okay. So what I want to do is I'm just going to open up this email that I'm about to send out to everyone on my list. And if you're on my list, you're going to get this email. If you're not, then go to drfredjones.com and you'll get on my list. Is this you? One of my clients said this: I don't need an enemy. I have me, Debbie Griffith. I don't need an enemy. I have me. Is not that the most powerful thing? You know, one of my other clients wrote a book, Lord, Deliver Me from Me, How to Stop Being Your Own Worst Enemy. How to overcome negative self-talk. Number one, awareness. You got to notice when and how you engage in self-talk. Be aware of what is negative. Aware. I'm going to give you 7. Number 2, challenge your thoughts. Question the truth behind negative thoughts and challenge their validity. I was out walking this morning, and a person I was walking with, they said, well, all the people doing this and everybody's doing this. I said, wait a minute. Do you know all these people? Are you connected to all these people? And the person says, no. I challenged the thought, and the person had to reframe the thought. Okay, positive reframing. Turn negative statements into positive affirmations. You got to do that, my friend. And when you do that, you're going to help yourself with negative self-talk. Practice mindfulness. Be mindful. Use mind techniques like meditation, stay present, and reduce negativity. You gotta be mindful of what you're saying and what you're spitting out there, okay? Positive affirmation, I've been doing them for a long time, more than 20 or 30 years. I walk in newness of life. I'm justified by the Spirit of God. I'm a partaker of God's divine nature. You see what I'm saying? You are powerful when you let those affirmations become a part of you. And then journaling, write down these thoughts to better understand what you're doing. When you put it in writing, it has a way of really connecting with you. And next, you can seek professional help if you're still dealing with negative self-talk. What I've done here is given you 7 ways that you can approach negative self-talk. Is this you? Put it in the comment. Which one stood out for you and which one was most effective to you? Okay, I'm Dr. Fred Jones, book, brand, and business coach, reminding you the most expensive thing you'll ever pay is attention to the wrong people.